Machike keno nyakoro mgajwa ngapis Commissioner mochung ne Rito Nonro mongere kaka Office of Data Protection nochako chenro mar tiego ogandewi kaka ginyalo rito nonro mekgi motelo ne odiochieng' diala Rito mar Nonro kata Data Privacy Day mitimo ga tarik 28 dwe mar achiel higa ka higa. Kalore kod Commissioner mar Nonro Immaculate Kisait oyango ni ma biro kalore ni nyaka ne sidh chik matao nonro mano mar Data Protection ACT higa mar 2019. Apis no oseyudo ng'ur mar romo 5,000 mag jogo mar Rito mar Nonro mekgi oserochi kendo gisetemo konyo maromo 4,700. Mama omiyo gineno ni ber mondo gichak chenro mar puonjo oganda ewi ber bedo motang' kod kaka gichiwo nonro mekgi kamoro amora kaka yorno mar duoko piny kwan makamano.
You're likely to see a slow uptake, but what we've done as an office is to assign a specific person to follow up with government ministries so that that actually then becomes a reality. So it's ongoing. The other things that we have done, we now, in addition to our ministry, through our cabinet secretary and our PS writing to all government agencies, we opened our office for training. You will be shocked. Every week we have a minimum of 2 trainings happening at in Nairobi, and we have also empowered our regional offices to be having that.
You will therefore understand why when you log on to certain websites, for those who go online from time to time, you'll be asked whether you want to accept cookie, isn't it, or accept privacy and all that. That different people have different tastes and values, and different countries have different laws that you must allow people to access certain things that you do. If therefore you sit at the editorial desk and you do not understand these things, you're going to publish information that is illegal, that is going to put you in hot soup.